expect to be facing death every day, and that's why I put my hat off to them.
The Lilydale meat processing plant in Calgary becomes the latest facility to have an employee test positive for COVID-19, sparking calls for the plant to temporarily shut down and leading to more questions about food safety.
Traditional foodborne pathogens like Listeria monocytogenes, E. coli, and Salmonella, they tend to be on surfaces and transfer to the carcasses and get carried through. And as consumers, we handled it much more safely.
I won't say it's better or worse than Listeria. It's different because it's a capacity issue rather than a food safety issue.
United Food and Commercial Workers Local 401 says they sent a letter to Sofina on Tuesday, the day they got confirmation of the case, calling for a 14-day closure. The union says there's been good dialogue with the company, adding they've been responsive to questions, which stands in contrast to difficulties at Cargill and JBS, meat processing plants in southern Alberta facing major COVID-19 outbreaks. In a statement, Lilydale's parent company, Sofina, says the employee is resting at home, and anyone who came in contact with them has been asked to self-isolate. Adding, Sofina Foods reviewed their current COVID-19 practices with the Alberta Health Services, who confirmed that the company had taken all necessary measures to protect the health of their employees and prevent further spread of the virus in its plant. The plant is fully operational. But this statement shows there's no plan to close the facility, at least at this point. However, this pandemic could spark big changes as to how business is done at packing and processing plants.
It really involves a change of the focus that we have in these plants. Because historically our focus has been on product and product food safety, and now we have to deal with worker safety and think about different things. We have to do it in a way that maintains the integrity of the food safety process.
That will likely mean the adoption of more technology, and this pandemic could be the catalyst which accelerates the rate of change. In Calgary, Jonathan Muma, City News.